Hello, it's Monday, May 4th, 2020. So I had a special request this week to show some video footage from my basement where I've been working hard over the last, maybe 3 winters, 3 years. We mostly have it ready to go. There's still some baseboard work out here in the main area. A little bit waiting on some doors that I've ordered. We've got a bit of a games room set up for the boys. We've got a foosball table. We've got a workout space. Harrison's been doing a variety of workouts with his school. The gym teacher continues to bring that along. So hello from Steve's basement. If you want to enter into the Gratitude Kit draw this week, and if you entered last week, you can enter again. They'll give you an extra chance to win. What you need to do this week is complete the Mount Royal Cybersecurity Challenge. I have a short video on how to do that, which will be linked in the same message. If you complete the Cybersecurity Challenge, we will take the honor system. You don't need to show me a screenshot or anything like that. Just put a comment to hce@mproyal.ca, or in the YouTube video, make the comment that I entered the challenge, and that'll be good enough. We'll enter your name in the draw. And if you entered last week, we'll enter you, you'll have another chance to win. One of the other things I am just so impressed about is how many people in our faculty are volunteering and doing things to help during this COVID time. Let me describe just a few of those for you. Susan Jacoby has joined the call team for in-house midwifery services at Foothills. Megan Lalonde is a member of the Provincial Maternal, Newborn, Child and Youth, SCN, which informs the peripartum provincial initiatives regarding COVID-19. Heather McClellan has been sewing washable scrub caps, headbands, and scrub bags for her Foothills Medical Center colleagues to help limit what they have to take home from the hospital. All of the ACCN faculty members are working on the front lines in the Foothills Medical Center, in both the ER and the ICU, as well as at the Alberta Children's Hospital in the PICU. Several faculty members in the nursing program have been making masks. Helena Milikowski, as well as Joyce Woods, have been creating a lot of masks and then donating them to places that need them. Sonia Jakubek has been involved as a co-investigator with Alberta Parks and has been producing a webinar series with the Shift Health and Nature webinar series. Rochelle Briegel and Patty Prima have been involved in the student initiative. This research initiative with these second-year students is focusing on creative art journaling and self-care. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care, everybody.